Hey everyone, you're watching GetAssist.net and I'm back again with another video where I will show you how you can hide your highlights on Instagram. So without any further delay, let's get started with the video. Alright, first of all, you need to go to Instagram app, and now here Instagram gives you an option using which you can add your stories to your highlights so that you can even watch it after 24 hours. So stories only stay for 24 hours, and if you want to view them later on as well, or if you want that your friends can view them later on as well, you can add them to highlights. So as you can see, I have created one highlights for my Instagram profile. If I will open it, you will see some of my stories, alright, that I have posted in the past. But now if you want to hide any of these highlights, you cannot simply do that as Instagram doesn't give you an option. Instead, what you can do is you can simply remove that particular story from your highlights. Let's say this is the highlight, or this is the story from your highlight that you want to hide from everyone. So you simply need to remove it, and this will remove this particular video or photo from your highlight, alright, but this will not delete it. If you want to add it back later on, you can do that as well. What you need to do is go back to highlights, press the three dots at the bottom right. From here you can remove your remove your story from highlight, or you can edit it. If you will go to the stories tab, you can see all your stories that you have posted till date. So as you can see, the story which I removed before, it's still there. So I can add it back. If I want to add it to my highlight, I just need to select it and press done in the top right. So that's how you can hide any of your stories from your highlights on Instagram. You can simply remove it. If in case you are creating a new story and you want to hide it from only a few contacts on Instagram, you need to hide your story first of all, and then you have to add it to your highlight. That's how you can hide your highlight or your stories from certain people on Instagram. So make sure whenever you are creating a story, you hide it from those people, and then you can save it to your highlight. Alright, so that was the trick you can apply to hide highlights on Instagram, and that was it for today's topic. If you found this video helpful, do give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel for more informative and useful content. And for now, I will take the leave. We'll see you the next time.